Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11 by Usha and myself Usha. In this podcast, I'll be demonstrating how to group applications into a new folder in iPhone home screen, and I'll also be demonstrating how to rename a folder in iPhone home screen. iOS version that is currently running on my iPhone is 15.2. So I am in one of the home page on my iPhone home screen. Now first what I'll try to do is I'll try to navigate on this home page and just to show what are the different applications present on this home page. Okay, I'll just navigate. Translate.
Double tap files. Shortcuts. Settings. Page 3 of 3. Adjustable.
Okay. So there are
swipe up or down with one finger.
There are totally 4 applications present on this home page. Now what I'll do is I'll try to group these 3 applications, that is
Settings,
Shortcuts, Files,
Translate
and Translate. I'll try to group these 3 applications. Okay. So in order to group the applications that you have planned into a new folder, what you need to do first is just focus to any of the application that you have planned. Okay. So I'll focus to the application that I have planned.
Translate.
Okay, Translate. Now I'll flick down once.
Edit mode.
Once voiceover says edit mode, I'll double tap.
Started editing.
Now I'll flick down again till I hear
delete. Drag translate.
Drag translate. I'll double tap.
Files is editing.
Okay, now Translate is in dragging mode. Next step is focus to the second application.
Files is editing. Double tap to add the drag. Use 3D touch.
So when you focus to the second application, voiceover notifies us double tap to add to drag. As dragging session is already on, when you double tap on the second application gets added to the drag session. Okay, I'll just double tap.
Dragging 2 items. Shortcut.
Okay, dragging 2 items. Now I'll focus to the last application, that is like I have planned to group 3 applications. So already 2 applications are in dragging mode. So I'll focus to the last application.
Done. Shortcuts is editing.
And I'll keep flicking down till I hear. I'm flicking down.
Stop editing apps.
I'm flicking down again.
Add to drag session.
Flicking in the sense I'm swiping down. Okay.
Drop translate. Files
Again,
before
I'll flick
shortcuts.
down.
Drop ready. Drop translate. Files after shortcuts. Drop
Again,
ready.
I'll flick down.
Create new folder with shortcuts and translate. Files. Drop ready.
Okay. Create new folder with shortcut, translate and files. When you hear this, just double tap.
Creating folder. Add widget button.
Okay, creating folder. I mean, all the 3 applications got added into a new folder. I mean, by default, the name of the application, name of the folder is folder. Okay.
Add widget button.
So let me navigate.
Done. Folder is editing. 3 apps.
Okay, so this is the folder that got created, to which all the 3 applications got added or grouped. Okay, so here voiceover is clearly notifying 3 apps.
Folder is editing. 3 apps. Finished editing.
Okay, so I'll just open this folder and show you.
Folder. 3 apps.
I'll double tap.
Double tap to open. Opening folder.
Folder is open. Now let's see if all the applications that I have planned to group them together got grouped into this new folder or not. I'll just navigate. Okay.
Folder heading. Shortcuts. Translate. Files.
And files. So I have planned to group these 3 applications, and these 3 applications got grouped into this new folder. So this is how you can group n number of applications. I mean, whichever application you want, you can group them together into a new folder. Okay. Now let's see how to rename a folder in iPhone home screen. I'll just try to rename the same folder which I created just now. Okay. Before that, I'll just close this folder which is opened by performing 2 finger scrub gesture or Z gesture.
Closing folder. 3 apps.
Okay, folder is closed now.
Folder. 3 apps.
So folder. So this is the folder which I created just now. Now the current name is folder, so I'm going to rename this folder now. In order to rename any folder in home screen, what you need to do is just focus to the folder and perform the gesture. Double tap and hold with single finger. When you are holding, just give little pressure. Okay. So this gesture is usually called as 3D touch gesture. So you need to perform that gesture here.
Setting folder 3 apps.
So I have focused the folder which I want to rename. Now I'll double tap and hold with single finger, and while holding I'll just give little pressure to get the context menu. Okay, double tap, hold,
rename button.
That's it. So I got the context menu where rename option is the first option in this context menu. Okay,
dismiss context menu button. Rename button.
Rename
button.
I'll just navigate and show you the options.
Edit home screen.
Edit
button.
Home screen.
Remove folder.
Remove
button.
folder.
Dismiss context menu.
Dismiss
button.
context
Dismiss
menu.
context menu. Button.
Okay, now I want to rename the folder, so I'll focus back to rename.
Edit rename button.
I'll double tap.
Started editing. Clear text. Button. Folder name. Text field is editing. Folder selected. Character mode.
Okay, folder selected. It is already in selected state. Now I'll try to delete it. Keyboard is opened.
Cap L. Cap P. Delete.
Yeah. So I'll double tap on delete.
Selection deleted. Folder.
Selection deleted. Now I'll try to give a new name. I'll just give a name as test. Okay.
Cap T. Tap Cap T. E S T.
Okay. So let me cross check.
Y T R. Fold clear text. But folder name. Text field is editing. Test. Character mode. Insertion point attempt.
Okay. So I have given new name as test. Now once you give a new name, just tap on done button in keyboard.
Done.
Okay. Double tap.
Done. Files is editing. Character mode.
Okay. So that folder will be in open state.
Page 1 of 2. Adjustable. Files is editing. Translate. Short clear text. Button.
Okay. So now I'll try to close this folder by again performing 2 finger scrub gesture. That is the gesture.
Closing test folder. Test folder is editing. 3 apps. Set test folder.
Okay. Folder got closed, and as you can notice, folder name got renamed from folder to test. I could successfully rename the folder. So this is how you can rename a folder in iPhone home screen. Just tap on done button.
Done button. Done. Cellular. No signal. Test folder. 3 apps. Setting. Test folder. 3 apps.
Okay, this is one way. Another way is just focus to the folder.
Setting. Test folder. 3 apps.
Flick down once.
Double edit mode.
Once voiceover says edit mode, double tap.
Started editing.
Okay.
Setting. Test folder is editing. 3
Once voiceover says started editing, double tap on that folder to open it.
Opening test folder. Files is editing.
Now keep flicking left.
Translate. Shortcuts. Clear text. Button.
Clear text. So you can clear the text.
Folder name. Test. Text field. Clear text.
So
button.
you can clear the text and you can rename the folder again.
Folder name. Test. Text field.
When you double tap
Double
here,
tap to edit text field.
keyboard gets opened. You can just rename a folder if you want. So this is a second way to rename a folder. That's all for today, friends. If this podcast was helpful to you, do give a thumbs up, share it, and hit the bell icon to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Usha signing off. See you in next podcast. Take care and have a great day.